Today we're going to check out a really cool kit from G4CFY, Spectrum Communications, across the pond there. Makes a couple of FM kits to modify your AM only or AM and sideband radio to FM for the new FM mode that's come out here in the US. A lot of people use these around the US already. We were building these back in the 70s, 80s when these chips were out, and just wasn't very popular then, but he's made a nice little kit. So let's take a look at it real quick. So what do you get in the kit? Well, you order the kit and it comes with, of course, a circuit board. And this circuit board is etched, and I don't know if he does it at home or he has a company do it, but he etches it with no solder mask. And the only thing I would say is run a light tinning of solder over all that copper just to keep it nice and clean, and also that you don't get much oxidation from the air if you're going to have it in a mobile outside or something like that. Then you get a nice little bag of kit parts, all for the kit, everything there listed on this paper. I've gone through the kit, I've inventoried, everything's here. So a lot of times you say, what do we need to build the kit? Well, other than the kit itself, you're going to need some normal tools, something to, I use these tweezers to pick up parts and place them, something to hold the kit while you're soldering, little pliers, and a little dike to cut the leads. Now the cool thing is, let me open this up and show you what he provides that I think is really nice. He provides this little bag, if I can see it there. It's a little bag of circuit board pins. So they go up and around the areas in the circuit board where you need to attach wires. And so it's really nice if you take, and I don't know where we got these, I think you can get these down at your local craft store. It's a flat bladed, something like a needle nose, but not. But what I did is I took my Dremel, and you can see right there where I cut a little slot, so that when you put those pins in, okay, you put the pin in there, well, it would be on this side, I guess, actually. You put the pin in there, the flat side there, that goes around the pin. When you squeeze it, it pushes the pin up in there real nice. You don't have to have this, but it makes it a lot easier and a lot nicer. And then, of course, you solder the pin on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and populate this board with components. We'll show that, how it looks when it's done. And then we'll come back to putting it in a radio and actually testing it. So as long as you've got your solder, your soldering pencil, and you're ready to go, the kit's really simple. Everything's explained, everything's written out on this little diagram for the board here. So real simple, real quick to put together, and I'll be back when we get it all done. And then after that, we'll put it, maybe a part 2 video of putting it in the radio and testing it. All right, everybody have a great day. Let's see how it goes.